Oh, Scaredy, when you play with him, he'll take the mouse and go away with it.
I know.
So cute and adorable.
Balloon attack.
He's like, what is that? What is that blue thing? Oh my god.
Oh, this morning, the kitten and Scaredy and JoJo popped a balloon.
Did they like freak out and did their tails pop up?
Actually, it was in my bedroom. Me and my mom were in the living room.
Did you guys hear the balloon pop?
Yeah, but I went in my bedroom.
And was their tails all puffed up?
Yep, especially Scaredy's. It looked like a real comb.
Need some guy hair
Get
gel to put down that tail.
Just get it Scaredy. He gets scared and his tail pops up.
Excuse me.
That's how scared he gets.
Ew, I got your underwear in the video.
What? I don't video my underwear.
Well, you were in the way.